Hey, let's go over how to use bucket SKUs with PawnOS. Start by heading over to the inventory menu. Next, select bucket SKU. As you can see, we already have a couple of bucket SKUs set up for scrap gold and silver, but we need to add a few more. Click the three-line menu, then select Create Bucket SKU. Now, I'm going to create a bucket SKU for our silver bullion, specifically 1-ounce rounds and bars. The selling price will vary daily, but for now we'll enter $34. For the description, just repeat the item title. In the category field, search and select bullion. Once that's set, click Save. And just like that, your new silver bullion bucket SKU is created and ready to use. Now, at the top of the page, click Create Bucket SKU again. This time, we're creating one for junk silver, which includes dimes, quarters, and half dollars, all at 90% silver content. For the title, enter 90% junk silver. Since the price of junk silver fluctuates, we'll set a benchmark price of $12 per unit for now. For the category, search and select bullion. In the description, write 90% dimes, quarters, and halves. Hit Save to complete the setup. Now let's go back to the inventory page and navigate to the Bucket SKU tab. As you can see, we now have both of our bucket SKUs, 1-ounce silver bullion, 90% junk silver. Now we need to add available inventory into these SKUs. Go to the non-metal tab and expand the column so you can read the item titles clearly. Here we have some 90% silver quarters that need to be priced and added to the SKU. Click on the item, then hit the three-line menu in the top right and select Confirm. Set the selling price to $12 and click Submit. This inventory is now priced and marked at 100 units, but we still need to add it to the bucket SKU. Go back to the three-line menu, click Add to Bucket SKU and choose 90% junk silver. Confirm the quantity and cost, then click Submit. Now let's double-check that it was added successfully. Go back to Inventory, then back to the Bucket SKU tab, and there it is. 100 units now associated with the 90% junk silver SKU. Let's check for any other inventory that needs to be added to a SKU. Go to the non-metal tab again, click the drop-down, and select Waiting for Approval. Expand the column to read the full titles. Here we see Silver Eagles. Select the item, and first we need to add it to inventory, so click Confirm. We have 50 Silver Eagles. These typically sell for about $5 over spot, so we'll enter $40 as the selling price and hit Submit. Now that the Silver Eagles are in active inventory, we'll go ahead and add them to the bucket SKU. Click the three-line menu, select Add to Bucket SKU, and choose the 1-ounce silver rounds and bars SKU. Confirm the quantity is correct, then click Submit. Perfect. That inventory is now added. Let's go back to Inventory, open the Bucket SKU tab, and check the SKU. And there it is. We now have a quantity of 50 Silver Eagles in the 1-ounce silver bucket SKU. So, to recap, we've successfully created 2 bucket SKUs, one for silver bullion and one for 90% junk silver. And we've added both silver rounds and junk silver into those SKUs. And that's it. You're now ready to track, price, and manage your precious metals efficiently using bucket SKUs in PawnOS.